15 minus 2 times 6 minus 3. 15 minus 2 will give us 13. Then we have 13 times 6 minus 3. 13 times 6 will give us 78. Then 78 minus 3 will give us 75. 75 is the wrong answer to this expression because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right. In order to arrive in a very correct answer, let's dive into the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our multiplication, which is 2 times 6. 2 times 6 will give us 12. Then we have 15 minus 12 minus 3. 15 minus 12 will give us 3. Then we have 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 will give us 0. 0 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.